Hi, welcome to Introduction to Data Science. I'm Vijay Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Sita Lakshmi Ramaswamy College. Data science is most revolutionary technology in this era. Here, when we see data science, science is associated with data. Here, we will see about why science keyword is associated with data. Data science is a technical discipline, but it is also more creative and artistic because data science uses tools like coding, statistics, and math to work creatively with data. Because in data science, our goal is insight, that is, getting insight from the data in order to solve the complex real world problems. To solve the complex real world problems, we need to listen to all of our data, even when it doesn't fit in easily. So here data is important. So next we are going to see about data. What is data? The word data means known facts. Data especially refers to numbers but can mean words, sounds, and images. Data can be defined as a collection of facts or information from which conclusions may be drawn. Data is a set of values of subjects with respect to qualitative or quantitative variables. Data is raw, unorganized facts that need to be processed. Data can be something simple and seemingly random and useless until it is organized. From data, we are getting useful information. So next we are going to see about what is information. What is information? Information is organized or classified data which has some meaningful values for the receiver. Information is the processed data on which decisions and actions are based. Even though it looks similar, that is data and information, there is a difference between data and information. Data is an individual unit that contains raw materials which do not carry any specific meaning. Information is a group of data that collectively carries a logical meaning. Data doesn't depend on information, but information depends on data. A simple example is students' individual score isn't data. Getting the average of a class is an information. But today the data is not small, it's very huge. So from the huge data, we have to get the information. For that, next we are going to see about what is big data. What is big data? Big data meaning a data that is huge in size. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in size and yet growing exponentially with time. Big data analytics examples includes stock exchanges, social media sites, jet engines, etc. Variety of big data refers to structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data that is gathered from multiple sources. In the past, data could only be collected from spreadsheets and databases. Today, data comes in an array of forms such as emails, PDF, photo, videos, audios, SM post, and much more. Big data is used to improve many aspects of cities and countries. It allows cities to optimize traffic flows, social media, and weather data. From this big data, we have to get the information. For that, we should know about what is data mining. So next we are going to see about data mining. What is data mining? The process of extracting information to identify patterns, trends, and useful data that would allow the business to take the data-driven decision from huge sets of data is called data mining. It is also called knowledge discovery in database. It includes data cleaning, data integration, data selection, data transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation, and knowledge presentation. Data mining has several types, including pictorial data mining, text mining, social media mining, web mining, and audio and video mining, amongst the others. Data mining helps to develop smart market decision, run accurate campaigns, make predictions, and more. We can analyze customer behaviors and their insights. This leads to great success and data-driven business. It looks like data science, but there is a difference between data science and data mining. Data mining is about finding the trends in the dataset. It often includes analyzing vast amount of historical data which was previously ignored. But data science is a field of study which includes everything from big data analytics, data mining, predictive modeling, data visualization, mathematics, and statistics. Next, we are going to see about what is data science. Data science is the domain of study that deals with vast volumes of data using modern tools and techniques to find unseen patterns, derive meaningful information, and make business decisions. Data science uses complex machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. Through this picture, we see that it's a combination of programming, mathematics and algorithms, and domain knowledge. Data science takes unstructured data, then finds order, meaning, and value. Data science provides insight and competitive advantage. Next, we are going to see about why do we need data science. Data science or data-driven science enables better decision making, predictive analysis, and pattern discovery. It lets you find the leading cause of a problem by asking the right questions, perform exploratory study on the data, model the data using various algorithms, communicate and visualize the results via graphs, dashboards, etc. Traditionally, the data that we had was mostly structured and small in size, which could be analyzed by using simple business intelligent tools. Unlike data in the traditional systems, which has mostly structured, today most of our data is unstructured or semi-structured. In 2020, more than 80% of the data will be unstructured. The data is generated from different sources like financial logs, text files, multimedia forms, sensors, and instruments. Simple business intelligent tools are not capable of processing this huge volume and variety of data. So this is why we need more complex and advanced analytical tools and algorithms for processing, analyzing, and drawing meaningful insights out of it. So we need data science. As we see in this picture, data science is a combination of mathematics, domain expertise, and computer science. As you can see in the picture, you need to acquire various hard skills and soft skills. You need to be good at statistics and mathematics to analyze and visualize the data. Machine learning forms the heart of data science and requires you to be good at it. Also, you need to have solid understandings of the domain you are working in to understand the business problem clearly. Your task does not end here. You should be capable of implementing various algorithms which require good coding skills. Finally, once you have made certain key decisions, it is important for you to deliver them to the stakeholders. So good communication will definitely add brownie points to your skills. Next, we see about the life cycle of a data science. It has 7 steps. First one is writing business problem statement. The second one is data acquisition. Third one is data preparation. It contains 2 subsections, data cleaning and data transformation. Fourth one is exploratory data analysis. Fifth one is data modeling. Sixth one is visualization and communication. And finally, deploys and maintains the model. For writing the business problem statement, first you should understand the problem, identify the central objectives, by identify the variables need to be predicted. For that, it is important to understand the various specifications, requirements, priorities, and required budget. So you must possess the ability to ask right questions. Here, you assess if you have the required resources present in terms of people, technology, time, and data to support the project. So you also need to frame the business problem and formulate the initial hypothesis. And then in the second step, how do you acquire the data? Mostly from the data mining. So data mining is the process of gathering the data. Here, what data do I need for my project? What are the data sources? How can I obtain it? What is the most efficient way to store and access all of it? That is the important role. You should need or you should collect correct data for your project. In the third step, it is a time consuming task because data cleaning requires more time. So when we look into the data, because it's a big data, we have to look in all the datas. All the datas are significant. So when we look into the data, you find that you have some missing value, corrupted value, and then some unnecessary data. So you have to clean that missing value, corrupted data, and remove the unnecessary data. After cleaning the data, you have to transform the data into desired format. In data exploration, it is actually a brainstorming analysis of data. Understand the patterns in the data, retrieve the useful insight, and form the hypothesis. After forming the hypothesis, the next step is modeling. Here, you should evaluate the optimal data features for the machine learning model and create a model that predicts the target most accurately. And evaluate and test the efficiency of the model. For that, our data is split into 2 sets, training data set and testing data set. Here, we model the data using training data set, and after built the model, the model is tested against testing data set. And then visualization and communication. After modeling the data, you should visualize what is the output. Through visualization, you should tell the consumer, this is your final output. You should have, that is the customer should accept this model. If the customer doesn't accept it, you should change it. Finally, after acceptance from the customer, deployment and maintenance. For deployment, check the deployment environment for dependency issues. Deploy the model in pre-production test environment and monitor the process. After deployment, you have to maintain the model. Next, we are going to see about uses of data science. First, it is used to detect anomaly, that is found in fraud, disease, and crime. Then automation and decision making. Classification. For example, in an email server, this could mean classifying emails as important or junk. In forecasting, that is in sales, revenue, and customer retention. Pattern detection, it is weather patterns, financial market patterns, etc. In recognition, facial, voice, text, etc. Then recommendations. Based on learned preferences, recommendation engines can prefer which movie you will go on, which restaurant you will go on, and which books you may read. So these are all uses of data science. I hope you will learn little bit about data science. Data science is a field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. So data science is an interdisciplinary field. Data scientists, that is who use data science, examines which questions need answering and where to find the related data. They have business acumen and analytical skills as well as ability to mine, clean, and present the data. Businesses use data scientists to source, manage, and analyze large amounts of unstructured data. Thank you.